Hi Kutis, our today's topic is action words. Let's see one by one. The first action is swimming. Swimming. Sleeping. Sleeping. Crawling. Crawling. Feeding. Feeding. Cycling. Cycling. Bathing. Bathing. Drawing. Drawing. Eating. Eating. Running. Running. Walking. Walking. Selling. Selling. Drinking. Drinking. Dancing. Dancing. Listening. Listening. Holding. Holding. Smelling. Smelling. Tasting. Tasting. Cooking. Cooking. Jumping. Jumping. Crying. Crying. Laughing. Laughing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like, please share among your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Buds TV 2020. Bye.